the new mining app that's called RichContinents. I've been using this app for about 5 to 6 months already without any issues. It's super easy to sign up. Click the link now or later in the description below. Follow the instructions and enter my invite code if asked to get a bonus. And after that, you'll just have to redeem your rewards every 24 hours. I've been searching online about this project and I found out that only a few people are talking about this. So in this video, we will talk about RichContinents. We will explore their website to see what this project has to offer. RichContinents is a Metaverse cryptocurrency game developed on the Binance Smart Chain network. Its token is called Ricnatum or RCNT, which can be used in the RichContinents universe. It was launched and got listed on CoinMarketCap early this year. It is also available on Vindax and PancakeSwap. Its current price today is $0.000011 with a market capitalization of $16,952. You can visit CMC, Vindax, or the PancakeSwap website to see it live and if you want to buy it. The total supply of RCNT in the market is 10 billion, where the team and advisors are allocated 18% of the supply. 10% will go to the marketing, 11% will go to the treasury, 28% will be utilized in the ecosystem, 33% will be utilized for liquidity, and on top of that, a 4% liquidity fee will go to the liquidity pool. That is important to avoid damage to the project. A 4% reward fee will offer shares to the RCNT holders upon each trade. And a 4% marketing fee will offer shares to the marketing wallet upon each trade. But of course, there are still more details we need to look into before engaging in this project. Like, how does the game work, or how do we earn from it? Well, to enter the RichContinents universe, you'll need to buy land. These are the sample of land you can buy from the NFT marketplace. RCNT is used to buy land. You can buy the cheapest land to test it out or whatever you want. Landowners in RichContinents don't have to play the game. They will earn a lifetime rental paid in RCNT. But I'm a bit confused about how the rewards will be because there's another token here called RCNTG or Ricnatum Token game. According to the community admin on Telegram, RCNTGs earned through the mining app and from owning NFT items or land. An admin said that you can convert the RCNTG to RCNT if you want to. He also confirmed that the rewards are paid in RCNT, but the server automatically converts RCNT to RCNTG, so users have to manually convert the rewards paid in RCNTG to RCNT. Like everyone else, I also just don't get it. Why? Well, I guess the answer is here. The community admins are saying that RCNTG will keep the price of RCNT stable like Axie and SLP. If RichContinents will give out RCNT, people will sell their tokens. They don't want that to happen. They want to put more value on the RCNT token and they want it to be bought, not to be sold. Okay, makes sense. I know there are so many prominent Metaverse games out there like Axie Infinity, which made thousands of people wealthy when it rocketed high, and it's continuously appreciated by many. But let's not forget that for RichContinents, it's just the beginning. And they are also going through all the stages that Axie Infinity went through. From being doubted to being one of the most prominent Metaverse games out there. I'll definitely keep an eye on this and I'm hopeful that it will become successful one day. Who knows? Thank you so much guys for staying with me today and I'll see you in the next one. I wish you all the best. Please take care. Bye.